I don't think people understand what really happens when your bike hits 80,000 kilometers. Hit 80,000 kilometers, that's not just a milestone, it's your bike's way of sounding the alarm. That odd noise or rough shift, it's a warning. Your gearbox could be in trouble. Ignore it, and a small fix can become a major, expensive failure. Listen, feel, and act. Your attention now means more safe miles ahead. Keep your high-mileage hero rolling strong for every adventure to come. 80,000 kilometers is a turning point for any motorcycle. At this stage, core components like the gearbox and bearings are nearing the end of their designed lifespan. Unlike tires or brake pads, these parts wear slowly and often go unnoticed until something fails. Think about it, over 800,000 gear shifts, countless hours of heat and pressure, and oil that's been ground down by microscopic metal particles. Even with regular oil changes, wear adds up and the oil's protective qualities fade. This is when proactive maintenance matters most. Catching a worn bearing or gear now is far cheaper than fixing a chain reaction of failures later. Don't wait for a breakdown. Shift your mindset from reactive repairs to proactive care. This mileage is your chance to extend your bike's life, not end it. Take action now, and your motorcycle can keep going strong for tens of thousands more kilometers. Gearbox wear is all about relentless friction and shock. Every shift means metal-on-metal contact, engagement dogs slamming, shift forks gliding, gear teeth meshing under force. Over time, even the best oil can't stop the slow erosion of these parts. Aggressive or sloppy shifting, clutchless upshifts, and hard acceleration all send shockwaves through the gearbox, causing cracks and wear. Contaminated oil, full of microscopic metal shavings, turns into grinding paste that accelerates damage, especially to bearings. Heat breaks down oil, reducing its protection and speeding up wear. Riding style and bike design matter too. A sport bike ridden hard will wear out faster than a gently used cruiser. Carrying heavy loads, or riding too up also increases stress on the transmission. Know your bike, your habits, and check your gearbox as you approach this critical mileage. Changes in shifting quality are your first warning. Harder shifts, false neutrals, or the gearbox jumping out of gear mean worn engagement dogs or bent shift forks. These are urgent signs. Unusual noises, clunks, persistent whines, or grinding signal trouble inside. A healthy gearbox is quiet. New sounds demand investigation. Pay attention to clutch feel and drivetrain slack. Excessive lash or jerks can mean worn internal parts. If you notice any of these symptoms, don't wait. Combined issues, hard shifting, strange noises, or increased slack mean it's time for a professional inspection. Catching these signs early can prevent a minor issue from becoming a major failure. Bearings rarely get attention until they fail. The first sign is usually a new noise rumbling, grinding, or a high-pitched whine that changes with speed or RPM. Vibration through the handlebars or foot pegs can also point to a bad bearing. Check for roughness or play in the wheels. Spin them by hand and feel for notches. A seized bearing can lock a wheel or destroy your transmission. This is a real safety risk. Treat noise and vibration as urgent warnings, not minor annoyances. Replacing a bearing is cheap compared to the damage a failure can cause. Don't gamble with your safety. Act at the first sign of trouble. Before heading to a mechanic, try these simple checks. Inspect your chain and sprockets. Worn or loose chains can mimic gearbox problems. Make sure the chain is properly tensioned and sprocket teeth aren't hooked. Check your clutch. Dragging or improper adjustment can cause hard shifting and clunks. For cable clutches, look for fraying. For hydraulic, check fluid level and clarity. Roll the bike in neutral and listen for odd noises. This can reveal wheel bearing or chain issues. On a stand, spin the rear wheel in gear with the clutch in. It should move freely. Try shifting through all gears with the engine off. Sticky or vague shifts point to internal problems. These quick tests can help you pinpoint issues before paying for a pro. A little DIY can save you time, money, and headaches. Know what's urgent and what can wait. Gearbox jumping out of gear, grinding noises, or metal rattling. Stop riding. These are emergencies. Bearing failures, loud rumbling, grinding, or new vibrations also demand immediate attention. Minor symptoms like slightly harder shifts or rare false neutrals can be monitored if they don't worsen. Always check your oil for metal particles and track any changes. If symptoms get worse or multiply, move them to the urgent list. Responsible riders act fast on safety issues and monitor minor ones closely. Your safety depends on honest assessment and timely action. Don't sabotage your high-mileage bike with simple mistakes. Always use the right motorcycle-specific oil. Wrong viscosity or car oil can ruin your gearbox and clutch. Neglecting chain maintenance is a fast track to expensive transmission damage. A too tight or too loose chain destroys bearings and gears. Keep it clean, lubed, and properly tensioned. Aggressive, sloppy shifting hammers your gearbox. Develop smooth, deliberate habits for longevity. The worst mistake? Ignoring new noises or vibrations. Small problems quickly become big, expensive ones if left unchecked. Fix issues as soon as they appear. It's always cheaper and safer. Your motorcycle is always communicating. Listen and respond. Avoid these pitfalls and your bike will reward you with many more trouble-free kilometers.